So, what next?
You know, I'm only helping you because I'm a very good person.
Don't be angry, okay? But I asked you for forgiveness.
How many guests are coming?
3.
3 times 3.
3 times 3 is 9.
9 times 9.
3 times 9. I don't know. What has it got to do with the cooking?
Yeah, cook it now. Since you cannot answer the question, cook it.
No. I'm sorry. Don't be offended. I'm sorry.
9 times 9. No. If it's to snatch somebody's husband, now you can snatch. Yeah, snatches. It's snatcher. It's snatchy. It's snatched.
Sorry.
It's snatcher.
Let me use my phone. 9 times 9 is 81.
81. 81 cubes of seasoning.
81?
The pepper soup will be sweet then. In fact, I will advise you, for every one person, give them 3 spoonfuls of salt. Yes. And then a lot of pepper. They will never ever forget they ate this pepper soup. They will never remain the same again after eating it.
You're a nice person.
Now you talk more.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Too small.
More. You're a nice person.
I know.
Oh.
The king will be very proud of you.
Thank you.
Do you have more pepper?
Yes. More pepper. Yes, pepper.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.